Search for OET tips for doctors, and nearly everything you find is about writing, referral letters, discharge letters, transfer letters. Reading and listening get treated as generic, the same advice given to every profession. That's a real gap, because a doctor's material in those two subtests is genuinely different. In reading part A, the 4 short texts are drawn from general healthcare material, but the ones doctors find hardest tend to be dense with diagnostic criteria, drug interactions, and dosing detail. The kind of content nurses training doesn't emphasize the same way. If your Part A practice has been generic, add text specifically weighted toward prescribing and differential diagnosis. Parts B and C use workplace texts, guidelines, protocols, professional articles. Doctors often read these faster than other candidates because the clinical reasoning is already familiar. Use that advantage deliberately. Don't slow yourself down rereading content you'd normally skim in 5 seconds on a ward round. Listening Part A features consultations between a health professional and a patient. When the health professional is a doctor, the pacing and structure often differs from a nursing consultation, more direct questioning, faster movement toward a diagnosis. If you're practicing with only nurse-led recordings, you're missing half the register you'll actually hear.
One caution from years of marking. Recognizing the clinical scenario doesn't mean you'll automatically catch the specific word or number the gap is testing. Doctors sometimes lose marks by assuming they know what comes next and stop listening closely. Familiarity helps you predict. It should never replace actually listening to what's said.
The practical takeaway. Seek out practice material weighted toward prescribing, diagnosis, and doctor-led consultation specifically, rather than generic healthcare content. But the underlying techniques, scanning for keywords in reading, predicting answers in listening, stay exactly the same regardless of profession. Content changes. Method doesn't. Reading and listening reward familiarity with your own clinical world. Writing reward structure, and that's where doctor-specific feedback matters most. Get your referral, discharge, and transfer letters checked by a real educator. Details on screen and in the description below.